BMW R1250R. BMW appears to be content to leave well enough alone this year, as the R1250R will only receive minor yet important quality of life improvement. The most controversial is probably Eco Mode, which, according to BMW, encourages the rider to ride as fuel efficiently as possible with a soft throttle curve and moderate engine torque limitation, while being supported by green feedback from the color TFT display, which in a confusing move, BMW refers to as the Sport Core screen. The Boxer twin engine found in the majority of BMW bikes will still be used, along with the same power lever suspension and claimed 136 horsepower and 105 pound-feet of torque it has always had. This engine is also still fitted with a shift cam. The nicest aspect of the new upgrades is probably having ABS Pro, a lean-sensitive anti-lock system, as standard equipment. The modifications are virtually entirely electrical. Along with the addition of the third riding mode, Eco, to the bike's already existing road and rain modes, standard safety features now include dynamic traction control, DTC, dynamic brake control, and BMW Motorrad ABS Pro. A stylish passenger seat cover, spoked wheels, and an adaptive turning lamp that turns on more LEDs based on lean angle are some further new features that are optional. The only noticeable improvement is a change to LED turn signals, which is a pleasant touch. BMW R1250R specs. Engine, liquid-cooled 2-cylinder, 4-stroke boxer engine with 2 overhead, spur gear-driven camshafts, counterbalance shaft. Displacement, 1,254 cubic centimeters. Bore X-stroke, 102.5 by 76.0 millimeters. Compression ratio, 12.5 to 1. Transmission/final drive, 6-speed/shaft. Claimed horsepower, 136 horsepower at 7,750 RPM. Claimed torque, 105 pound-feet at 6,250 RPM. Fuel system, electronic fuel injection. Clutch, wet, multi-disc slipper, hydraulic operation. Engine management/ignition, ride-by-wire. Frame, 2-section frame with bolt-on rear section and load-bearing engine. Front suspension, 45 mm inverted fork, fully adjustable, 5.5 inches. Travel. Rear suspension, BMW power lever, fully adjustable, 5.5 inches. Travel. Front brake, twin 320 mm floating discs, 4-piston radial calipers. Rear brake, single 276 mm disc, 2-piston floating caliper. Wheels, front/rear, cast aluminum, 3.5 by 17 inches. /5.5 by 17 inches. Tires, front/rear, 120/70 ZR17/180/55 ZR17. Rake/trail, 27.7 degrees per 4.9 inches. Wheelbase, 59.6 inches. Ground clearance, N/A. Seat height, 32.3 standard, 29.9 to 33.1 possible. Fuel capacity, 4.8 gallons. Claim wet weight, 527 pounds. The MSRP for the R1250R has not changed and is still $14,995.